Grabe blush on ko te. This is the fit. So, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to yoga. Hindi blush ko. Whatever. Wala din nga naman pag pinag-awis ako. Ay! Is really nice. Hi, so the studio is still closed. No idea if it's so close. I'm just gonna wait here. Not too early. I think because I'm 10 minutes early. I should have come late. But no, I didn't.
Release, plant your hands, and then take your hips back. Are the honeymoon lungs in the house? Point or flex it, so you have to sit open or like you have an
Still in back. That was amazing. Really.
Yan yun. Pwede mo naman, bango mo.
I-check ng mga tanga.
I-check na mga ano, hindi makanood ng movie.
Yeah. Nag-uukay. Ayun, hindi ko nakabiling watch. Kaano ka na ba? Hi. Sarap. Yung pan. Ay, wait. pa ako ng trabaho. Dami kong bit-bit. Anyway, I'm going home. I mean, I'm home na pala. The weather is really nice today, although the view in my condo or apartment is not nice. Hello guys, so I am just gonna, it's Monday today, I have work at night and I have to maximize my morning. So what I'm going to do today or my agenda is I'm just going to study. I don't know what else to do. I don't want to go out today because I already went out yesterday and it was pretty tiring because I was all up like almost all day. I woke up, yeah, and I was out till 11 yesterday, so I woke up at 9 and after that I didn't sleep at all. I slept at like 2 a.m. na because I wanna fuck my schedule. Because today my schedule was different than the previous week. It's gonna be 8 p.m. till 5, which is better than before. And then I'm just gonna study, try to clean up things here, fold the laundry. I'll see if I can do some laundry again. Of course, I'm just gonna think of what should I eat, and after that, I'm just gonna rest. So I'm just gonna I'm not gonna work out today. It's Monday. The gyms are closed on Monday, so I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna work out. Maybe tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. So bye for now. Leftover coffee from last night. This is the coffee I'm gonna drink today. I'm just gonna put ice. Oh my god, I'm so my out is just 5 p.m. and the time right now it's almost 6. Fuck shit. Oh my god, I just wanna go home. Anyway, bye. My feet check.